So here, this is my blogspot.com website. Blogspot, Blogger, both are same names. So in his Blogger, once we creating for Blogger, how to we can create for the SEO for on page? That is called title, description, keyword. Here, one option is called any blogger. The first preference is called your home page. Remaining, we can't get the meta keywords. It's only dependent by your home page. So including all keywords dependent by where? Your home page. Suppose your total blogger dependent on some keywords that all will writing for where? Your home page. Here two ways, with coding, without coding. First of all, we discuss about the without coding. In this blogger, if writing for title and description, will be two ways without coding. First of all, go to Blogger dashboard, click for setting. First option is called basic. In this one, we can writing for title and description. This is only for home page purpose. Suppose I don't know this option for setting. Simple, we can go option call is layout. I can show another option. Layout. Option call is header. Page header gadget. Click for edit. Title and blog description. Writing for two options. But this title and description only for homepage purpose. If activate for all pages, meta description and meta keywords, that is called go to settings. In this option call is search preference. When active for search preference is eligible SEO for total pages. Now click for your option call is description. Click here, enable. So yeah, I'm writing for in this description. Just is support only for 150 characters. If writing more than 150 characters, it will be not support. See this one. They only support how many characters? 150 characters. So I'm clicking for save change. This is done. So after that, you can see. After enable your preference, go to where? Pages. Now click for contact. Which one? Search preference. The purpose of simple here. You're writing here. Writing for simple one. Contact. Home tuition, home tutors, providers in Hyderabad. So click for update. Then next one, go to post. Now click for edit. Careful watch. What option is called? Search description. Now just close. I go to the setting option. Search preference. Edit. And click for no, nothing but disable. Click for save setting. Now go to option call is post. Edit. See this. No search preference. We are writing already. Contact us also in our search setting. You can see pages. Edit. So when adding for only for blog title and blog description is eligible for only for home page. If applicable for all pages, we can go to setting, search preference, enable for the meta tags. Is a two important. Without coding or with coding, the setting search preference will be enabled mandatory for all pages SEO purpose. Now just back setting. Yes. Save change. Now go to pages. Click here. Is enable. After that, this one. Go to post. Click here. Search difference. Here I'm writing for a small change. Next one, go to labels. Every label you can writing for comma, like home tuitions comma, home tutors comma, right here, home tuitions, home tutor, home tuition, home tutors, home teachers, maths, chemistry, physics, NEET, KT, JEE, MSET. Click for, I'm clicking for update. Once update, I can see refresh, where you can check your title, description, keyword. Once updating, click for Control U. I can check for a backend. Is it clear? This is called the updating for your backend part. So clear? Without Blogger, without using coding, we can update on your SEO title and description for individual pages and the home page also. If you go with the coding part, just prepare your on page here along with author. Just copy this one. Go to Blogger dashboard where theme in option call is edit HTML. We can option call is header part. They can show for one option is called title. See this one. All the existing will be there. After the title, enter this one. Click for Control V. So I'm not updating code. I'm only updating for in our Blogger front end. So I'm not adding the code on Blogger part. This is called adding for SEO on page for bloggers. Here, your title is called your SEO title. Any pages, contact us is a title. Your description writing for where? Search description on the right corner. When enabled for search preference on your blogger settings. This is called writing for SEO on your blogger website. Any blogger, same option, nothing difference. If you're using for customized theme or any kind of themes, is using for same option. Go to settings, click for search preference, enable for meta tags. So it is available for the all pages.